You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Not all moving insurance protects you the same way, and one of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming one policy works just like another. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important insurance decisions in international moving, the difference between total loss insurance and all-risk cargo insurance. Let's start with total loss insurance. Total loss insurance is designed for the biggest possible events. It applies when the entire shipment is lost or destroyed. That means it is focused on full shipment disaster scenarios, not isolated damage to individual items. For some movers, that may feel like enough. It's usually the simpler protection layer, and it makes sense for people who want coverage against the most severe outcomes. Now, let's look at all-risk cargo insurance. All-risk cargo is broader. It protects against total loss, but it can also cover partial damage to the shipment. That matters because many real-world moving problems do not involve the entire shipment disappearing. They involve breakage, mishandling, moisture exposure, or damage to selected items during transit and delivery. If your concern is only catastrophic loss, total loss may sound sufficient. But if you want protection against the more practical day-to-day risks of international transit, all risk coverage is usually the more comprehensive choice. There's one more important point. All risk cargo insurance generally requires professional packing. That requirement exists because the insurer now needs confidence that the shipment was prepared properly for international transit. So, the decision is really about matching the insurance structure to the way you are moving and the level of protection you want. The right takeaway choice depends on whether you want protection only against total disaster or also against partial damage along the way. To compare total loss and all risk coverage for your move, call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.